We will continue with the topic of functions and parameters, but specifically concentrate on a term called shadowing. So in the first line of code, we'll create our function. So we have def, then the name of our function, instruction. Then inside the parentheses, we have a parameter called direction. Then colon, and in the second line of code, followed by colon, we have 4 empty spaces, so indentation, the print function, which of course is the property of the function, of the instruction function. So we have two arguments, move and direction. So we have move a string and the name of our parameter as an argument. Then in the third line of code, we'll create a variable called direction, which is the same name as our parameter inside our function. And we will store a string inside our variable called direction. This is called shadowing. Then in the fourth line of code, we will invoke our function. As you see, we have instruction, the name of our function, and inside the parentheses, we have placed a left string as an argument. So the left will be given to our parameter called direction. So when our function is invoked, we will get move and left displayed on our screen, even though we have just created a variable called direction, which is the same name as our parameter inside our function, and we have given it a string of right. So as you have seen, we get move left displayed on our screen, which means the variable in the third line of code has no involvement inside our function, as it's a separate entity.